Before we begin, always get consent from everyone on the call. Recording without permission may be illegal. Open settings on your iPhone. Tap Control Center, then add screen recording to include it in the quick menu. Swipe down to open Control Center and long press the screen recording icon for options. Enable the microphone audio and, if available, choose the record call option, then tap Start Recording. A short countdown will appear. Return to the home screen to place your call. Place or answer the call as usual. The recording will run in the background. Look for the red recording indicator and on-screen captions confirming the session is being saved. When you finish the call, open Control Center and tap the red recording icon to stop. The clip saves automatically to Photos and a Recordings folder in the phone app for easy access. Tap the clip to trim, add notes, or securely share using built-in privacy options. Always confirm consent and check local laws. That's it, you're ready to record calls on iOS 26.